Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks out of plastic waste, updated. Start by gathering plastic types, separating by resin codes, and removing contaminants. Next, wash and dry materials, then shred into uniform pieces for consistent melting. Heat shredded plastic gradually to avoid burning, mix with sand or fiber if desired, then press into molds and cool under pressure. Follow safety practices and test a sample brick before scaling up. Gather all materials and lay out a clear workspace before you begin. Use gloves, eye protection, and a respirator when heating plastics to minimize exposure to fumes. Prepare molds and a press or heavy weight to apply consistent pressure during cooling. Keep a small test batch to tune temperature and filler ratios. Maintain ventilation and have a fire extinguisher nearby, and never leave melting plastic unattended. If this guide is helping you, please like and subscribe so I can keep making practical DIY content. Quick recommendation: I spotted some great leak-proof meal prep containers that make workshop lunches cleaner and less messy, and they pair nicely with recycling projects. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab a set. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Set up a double boiler or controlled heating container to melt plastic gently without direct flame. Monitor temperature and stir to promote even melting and avoid hot spots. If adding filler like sand, measure ratios and mix thoroughly for homogeneity. Transfer the molten blend into prepared molds, tamp or press to remove air pockets, then clamp or weight the molds during cooling for denser bricks. Demold only after complete cooling and perform strength tests.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.